it comes to investing your money, there is a lot of information out there. Knowing whom to trust and where to start may not be easy. This post will give you the real investment advice you need to make informed decisions about your money. We'll discuss different types of investments and provide tips on how to get started. So whether you're just starting or looking for new ideas, watch on for some helpful advice. What is the importance of investing your money? Financial planning and investing are important for everyone, especially if you want to retire comfortably. Investing allows you to expand your finances while taking less risk than gambling. Over time, compound interest can help your money grow. Compound interest is when your money grows exponentially over time. It is essential because it means your money will grow faster the longer you invest it. Before you invest, it is best to do research, especially on risk tolerance and investment goals. Investment management is making decisions about investments, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. Investment managers are professionals who manage securities portfolios on their clients' behalf. They use their expertise to recommend what to buy and sell to achieve the client's financial goals. Real investment advice is understanding these investment products and how they work before investing your money. It is one of the basic truths of investment. How to invest for your future. Investment decisions should be based on your goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. If you're investing for retirement, you'll want to consider how much money you'll need to save to live comfortably. You will also want to consider how long you have until retirement, as this will affect the types of investments you make. For example, suppose you're closer to retirement. In that case, you may focus on more conservative investments, such as bonds, which tend to be less volatile than stocks. Regarding retirement planning, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you'll want to ensure you have enough to cover your expenses. It includes things like healthcare, housing, and other costs of living. Second, you'll need to consider how much income you'll need to replace your current salary. It is important because it will affect the types of investments you make. For example, suppose you have a lower income. In that case, you may want to focus on growth investments, such as stocks, which have the potential to provide a higher return. What you need to know about investment options. There are more options for investing your money. These options can allow you to be more selective with how you want to grow your money. Each of these investment options has different characteristics, so it's important to understand them before you make any decisions. Stocks. When you buy stocks, you're buying a piece of ownership in a company. They can be volatile, but they can potentially provide high returns. Bonds. Bonds are the type of debt you loan to a company or government. They tend to be less volatile than stocks but provide lower returns. Real estate. Real estate can be a good investment, but it's important to do your homework before buying. There are things to consider, such as location, property values, and maintenance costs. These are just a few of the investment options available to you. It's important to research or consult with a financial advisor to find the best option for you. Investment options are one of the most important things to understand before investing your money. If you want to grow your finances, it's important to understand how each of these options works. Investing comes with both risks and rewards. The potential rewards are why people invest their money, but the risks can't be ignored. One of the risks in investing is that you may not reach your goals. It can happen if your investment doesn't grow as much as you need it to or if you withdraw money early. The benefits and risks of each investment option. There are pros and cons to each investment option. Understanding the risks and potential rewards is essential before making any decisions. Stocks. Pros. The potential for high returns can be less volatile than other options. Cons. It can be volatile and needs a long time horizon to ride out the ups and downs. Bonds. Pros. Tend to be less volatile than stocks and provide regular income payments. Cons. Lower potential for returns. Interest rates can fluctuate. Real estate. Pros. Potential for high returns, can be a tangible asset. Cons. It can be expensive to maintain, but the location is important. Cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more popular with each passing day. With cryptocurrencies, you can get in on the ground floor of new currencies that may replace outdated ones like dollars or euros. Now there are some things to consider before investing your hard-earned money into this type of investment. Like, where do I store my coins? Here's a perfect option that we recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. Ledger wallets are considered one of the most reliable cryptocurrency wallet solutions today. With strict safety measures to ensure nothing is compromised during transmission, Ledger provides an excellent choice for those looking forward to a secure future. Check out Ledger wallets now. Check out our previous post to learn more about other types of investment options. How to choose the right investment. The best investment for you will depend on your goals and risk tolerance. It's important to research and consult with a financial advisor to find the best option for you. Risk management is an important part of investing. There are a variety of different strategies that you can use to minimize risk. Diversification is one strategy that can be used to reduce risk, investing in various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Another approach is to have a mix of long-term and short-term investments. It can provide you with some stability as well as growth potential. As the economy evolves, so do investment opportunities. It is important to stay up to date on the latest news and trends to make the best decisions for your portfolio. Technical analysis is a powerful tool to help you make wise decisions. With the bright future ahead, it's never too early for investors. Here's one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. If you're a beginner and want to get started with the markets, or if your skills need some updating to be successful at trading, TradingView has got what it takes. Check out TradingView today. Do you need a guide to help getting started with making investments? Check out our previous post, Tips for Staying on Track with Your Investments. Keeping track of your investments can be difficult. However, there are a few tips that can help make it easier. These helpful tips can help you make the most out of your investment journey. Review your goals regularly and ensure your investment choices align with them. Stay diversified to help reduce risk. Have a mix of long-term and short-term investments. Stay up to date on the latest news and trends. Consult with a financial advisor if you have any questions or concerns. Real investment advice is important in setting up your investment strategies. By following these tips, you can ensure that your investments are on track. Investment management is a process of creating and protecting wealth. It is important to have realistic expectations and goals when investing. Following the tips above can help ensure your investments are on track. There are many professionals that can help you with your business. An executive producer is in charge of making sure everything goes according to plan and on budget, while real estate agents guide buyers through the process or sellers their sales efforts successfully, allowing them to get a good deal at purchase time. They know what will work best for you based on their knowledge regarding that specific area's trends. With the right people, anything is possible. If you want to learn more about investments, check out our previous post. Final thoughts. So what do you think? Should you invest your money entirely in stocks, real estate, or something else? The answer is that it depends. What are your goals for the future? Do you have time to manage an investment yourself, or do you want someone else to take care of it? There isn't one correct answer that fits everyone. Only you can decide what's best for your unique financial situation. But we hope that this video has given you a better understanding of the options and how to make an informed decision about where to invest your hard-earned money. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: Moovmynt provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional financial advice.